After being stuck in a rut the last couple of days, we are finally seeing some movement in the...
It's your time to check in with Chief Meteorologist Rachel Frank for the first time. And Rachel, I think we're all just waiting for a little bit more sun here.
I know, me too, count me in. And we will get it just in time for the weekend. But before then, we're in for two very similar days tomorrow. Clouds, some sunshine, the chance for a brief passing shower, but most of the day will be dry. And that's going to be for Thursday and for Friday before we brighten things up. Meantime, showers have really filled back in here, at least for some parts of the state. We're seeing some more numerous showers, though, in northern Connecticut, stretching from Bristol over through Burlington. You'll see some rain through Litchfield, Cornwall, and Sharon. And on the other side of the state, we also have some showers and even locally heavier downpours here from Chaplin up through Ashford, Eastford, and Pomfret. So these will be kind of scattered across the state for the next couple of hours or so, but we should generally tend to get drier as we head towards daybreak. But the radar has shown this swirl of showers for the last several days, so we've got two more before we give that system the boot. Temperatures are in the 40s to right around 50 degrees, and we'll see overnight low temperatures drop back into the low to mid 40s as we head towards daybreak tomorrow. Tomorrow morning, cloudy skies, chance for a spot shower. Some towns will see one, others may stay completely dry. Highs in the 50s, so we're cooler than average, but we'll talk more about that light at the end of the tunnel this weekend, how long those milder temperatures stick around coming up.
All right, Rachel, thanks.
And after a string of cooler temperatures and occasional showers, there is a light at the end of the tunnel. We are tracking a brighter and warmer weekend coming up. New tonight, we have a flood warning for the Connecticut River in southern Connecticut. You might be wondering, why is this happening now? We haven't had any steady, heavy, widespread rain since this weekend. Well, after it rains heavily, all of the smaller rivers and streams rise rapidly, and then after the rain stops, they fall rapidly. But all of that water ends up going down into the bigger tributaries, and eventually, even after the rain ends, the water can continue to rise in the bigger rivers, and that's what we're seeing right now. Minor flooding is occurring right now at the Connecticut River at Middle Haddam. This happens many, many times a year and should have very minor impacts. For example, the Gildersleeve section of Portland, the Portland Fairgrounds experiencing some flooding, and you can see the flood warning here that extends all the way down through Chester, Essex, Old Lyme, and Old Saybrook, and it will be at minor flood stage at times from now all the way into Friday morning. Taking a look, it has been chilly out there the last, by the time we're done with this, it'll be about 2 weeks with cooler than average temperatures, which certainly isn't unusual. It's just unusual for us this year, where 75% of the time has been warmer than average. Really, meteorologist Ryan Breton went back and actually looked at the record books. It's been warm 75% of the year so far, and he'll be along later to talk more about it. But we're finally going to give this weather pattern the boot heading into the weekend. Not only is it warmer, but it's drier and brighter as well. Is this a big warm up? Is it 80s and 90s like we had a few weeks ago? No. But even climbing near or back above average is going to feel really good heading into this weekend, especially after the last couple of weekends turned out to be really wet. In fact, super soakers in parts of the state. Taking a look at the satellite and radar, you'll see this dance of showers here. Again, this is how the radars really looked over the last several days. Showers have really kind of filled in here, and we'll see them come down through the evening tonight. As we head towards daybreak, I think we're waking up to cloudy skies, and we'll see the chance for a spot shower. We don't see any heavy rainfall tomorrow, not a lot of measurable rain, and showers will be kind of hit or miss in nature. So some towns might stay completely dry, and others could get a brief shower. With cold air above our heads, just like today, any shower that ends up popping up could contain some small hail, but it's a pretty low risk. High temperatures tomorrow will climb into the low to mid 50s. We'll do it for one more day on Friday. Clouds, some sunshine, chance for an isolated shower, and then this is what we've been talking about. Highs in the upper 60s to right around 70 degrees heading into the weekend. Dry both days, and we remain a little above average as we head into early next week. There is a chance for some showers either Tuesday or Wednesday.
Right,
Hi guys, yeah, a couple of showers have developed across the state, and we're seeing some that are locally more moderate or even heavy for some areas, at least briefly. Litchfield over through Sharon and and Cornwall. In northeastern Connecticut, we're also seeing a few downpours from Pomfret over through Ashford. In southern Connecticut, we don't want to neglect you guys. A couple of sprinkles there too. We just haven't spent a lot of time talking about them because they're just not quite as intense. And we'll see these scattered across the area as we head through the next couple of hours or so. As we head towards daybreak, though, most of the state will be dry. We'll have a lot of clouds and the chance for a spot shower. Right now, we're looking at temperatures in the 40s to right around 50 degrees. A cloudy start to the day tomorrow with temperatures beginning in the 40s. We'll see high temperatures in the mid to upper 50s. Again, cooler than average tomorrow. And there is a chance for an isolated shower, but kind of like today, most of the time in between will be dry. And there also could be a couple of breaks in the clouds and a couple of peekaboo sunshine moments. But for the most part, a lot of clouds out there during the day tomorrow. We do see more sunshine heading into the weekend. Your full forecast is coming up.
All right, Rachel, thank you. We're learning more about a deadly crash on.
You could probably tell the forecast for tomorrow. Just repeat the weather that we've had in place for the last few days. Cool, chance for a spot shower, clouds, some sun, you know the drill. But we are going to mix things up this weekend. Your full forecast coming up. The shot, this one actually a video, but I wanted to show you golf ball. Not golf ball size hail, but maybe couscous size hail. It's a really, really small, but still, it's a testament to just how cold the air is above our heads because we didn't have any, grand thunderstorms today. It's just that it doesn't take a very tall cloud to reach temperatures below freezing. This is from Michael Walsh in Hebron, and there could be a little bit of small hail in spots outside tonight or even tomorrow, but for the most part, we're just talking about a few light scattered showers. Today's high temperature is 60 degrees, 8 degrees below average. I think we'll see similar numbers throughout the day tomorrow before we warm things up heading into the weekend. Here's a look at the satellite and radar showing that swirl of showers all across the Northeast yet again today. Showers have actually filled in more right now than they have at any point today. Pretty good timing because most people are in bed or on the couch or watching the news at 10. And we'll see a few of those showers start to kind of fizzle as we head towards daybreak tomorrow. We've got another couple of unsettled days. Tomorrow we'll see clouds, some sunshine, the chance for a passing shower or two. We'll do that again on Friday, but then heading into the weekend, kind of just in time for Saturday and Sunday, not only do we dry out, but we're brighter and warmer with highs in the mid to upper 60s. And I think we'll see highs near 70 degrees during the day on Sunday. Not crazy warm, but still breaking out of this weather pattern. Low temperatures tonight around 30 degrees with a few of those scattered showers out there. Heading into the day tomorrow, here's a closer look. We're going to start the day off with mostly cloudy or cloudy skies. There's that chance for a shower in a couple of locations, but notice we don't see a whole lot of rain through the course of the day tomorrow. And there may be some areas that make it through the day completely dry. Others we'll see a light shower or two, and then we'll do it again on Friday before we're able to see that relief. Here's a look at your Thursday high temperatures in the mid to upper 50s. Similar numbers for Friday. Maybe we'll add a degree or two to the high temperature, but this is the grand finale here, what we've been waiting for with some brighter weather. And normally this time of year, some people don't love the warmer weather, but I think we're all kind of in agreement that it's time to see some sunshine with highs up around 70 degrees. Saturday right into early next week. So how long has it been chilly? For a look back and where we go from here, here's meteorologist Ryan Breton.